Hi all, I am Purva Rajveer welcoming you all to STEP Campus. As mentioned earlier, we are starting with articulation sessions and we'll try to cover all the topics as per the syllabus. So let's get started. But before starting, a small motivation for all of you. Stop dreaming and start doing. Last year, even I never thought that I would clear the digital wings 1 exam and I would be securing digital cadre. But here I am, done both. But I would recommend all of you to start practicing and you will clear it too. To start with articulation, what is art of articulation? The art of articulation is nothing but the right content in the right context presented in the right way to the right audience to get the desired outcome. This in general helps to conduct meetings, behave in the meeting, how to communicate in the meeting, how to set the agenda in the meeting, how long the meeting should take, and etc. So let's get started with the topics which we'll cover in the coming sessions. Firstly, we have already covered definition of art of articulation. We'll go through all the culturals and location wise meetings, how they handle the meeting, how they attend the meeting. We'll see to the risk which are there in the multicultural teams. We'll see how to handle the disruptions when it is there in the multicultural team and when the teams are very sensitive, because all the countries have different ways of approaching a meeting. How we'll see how to communicate effectively in global team, how to get through all the other communication disruptions and everything, and we'll see mainly the 6 C's of the story, which is main part of art of articulations. We'll cover this all from the next session. Till then, you can refer to our Selenium and Night Watch videos. See you all until next time. Happy learning.